In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an anchor link in WordPress. Anchor links let people jump straight to a specific part of your page, which is great for long posts, FAQs, or sections like pricing and contact. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can set it up in just a minute. First, click the block you want people to jump to. This is your destination block. It could be a heading, a paragraph, an image, or any block that marks where you want the page to scroll. Make sure you've actually selected that block and not a surrounding group or column, so the setting applies to the exact spot you want. With the correct block selected, look to the right-hand sidebar for block settings. If you don't see the sidebar, click the settings icon at the top to reveal it. In the block settings, open the advanced panel, then find the field labeled HTML Anchor. This is where you'll name the anchor. Enter a simple word here with no spaces. Keep it short, memorable, and all lowercase to avoid mistakes. For example, you might type pricing or contact. Don't include symbols or punctuation, and avoid reusing the same anchor name elsewhere on the page. Think of this as creating a unique label for that exact location. Now choose the text or button you want to act as the link. This is what visitors will click to jump down the page. Highlight the text in a paragraph or heading block, or click to select your button block so its toolbar appears. Add the link in the format and hashtag your anchor. Type the hash symbol followed immediately by the exact anchor word you set earlier, such as hashtag pricing or hashtag contact. Make sure it matches perfectly, including capitalization, so the link can find the right target. You don't need the full page URL when linking within the same page, just the hash and the anchor name. Confirm the link to apply it. That's it. You've told WordPress where to jump, and you've created a clickable link that points to that spot. When someone clicks the link, the page will scroll directly to the block with that anchor. If it doesn't land where you expect, double-check that the anchor name in the advanced settings matches the hash link exactly, and that the correct block was selected when you set the anchor. Using anchor links helps readers navigate faster, improves usability, and makes your content feel more organized. Try adding them to key sections to give your visitors a smoother experience.